So, Jacinda, what do you think about really big hair?
I'm not worried about hair. I'm worried about Nathan.
But before Nathan, what about big hair? Do you like big hair?
Yeah.
Oh, I have this stuff. It's going to make my hair really big. It's awesome.
What is it?
It's Honey and Quint. Hold on, someone's at my door. Hey, what's up, man?
Are you alone?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Hey, Jacinda, it's Nathan.
I'm in a lot. Jacinda?
Yeah.
Jacinda, I just got off the phone with her. I'm in a lot of trouble, man.
What's going on?
Okay, they came to my door. The ones I was telling you about, they came to me. Yes, they came to my front door.
Hey, D, what do you think about big hair?
What?
What do you think about really big hair?
I don't know. What? It's cool.
Oh, great.
Well, I was trying to tell you something here, man.
Go ahead. Good.
Okay, two people we know, okay? They are in the mafia.
In the mafia?
They're in the mafia. I can't tell you who they are because they'll kill you. They'll kill you both.
Man, you need to go to the police.
No, I can't go to the police. They came to my door. They're going to kill me. If I go to the police, they're going to shoot me.
I'll go with you, bro.
They'll see me and they'll shoot us both. We can't. I can't go to the police.
All right. How about I go? And I'll get the police and I'll bring them back.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Does that sound good? All right.
Okay.
I'm going to go now.
I just don't know what to do. I'm good.
Okay.
Yes.
Calm down.
Okay.
You're gonna go.
Yeah.
Stay on the line with me.
Okay.
Do not leave.
All right. I think Cindy forgot his keys. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Cindy, did you forget? What do you guys know? Please.
What is it? How's your head?